I'm leaving my head behind. R.I.P. that. Hey! She made it, guys. Let's. Hey everyone, it's Vanshu. So I decided to like start vlogging my days just because I enjoy doing it. So I'm gonna vlog like half a day today just because it's already like 4:30. I woke up at 12:30. I filed for my tax returns, and then I ate food and I had class. Now I'm gonna get my now I'm gonna go get my nails done because they're like thrown out. I also have haldi on my nose, but I don't care at this point. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go out drinking with my friends tonight because one of my friends submitted her assignment. So I am gonna like shower, wash my head, curl my hair. Then I am going to do my makeup. Yeah, but I'm gonna get my nails done right now, which is exciting. And I'll pop in a picture of what I want to get done. And I really want to see whether they can actually do something like that or not. But yeah, yay! I'm very excited. I'm almost there at the nail place. I want to show you guys what my nails look like right now. They're like so disgusting. Like this one, the nail paint peeled off like 2 days into me getting it. Disgusting. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna remove acrylics and I'm gonna do some like gel on my natural nails. I'll pop in a picture of what I want to get done. But yeah, and then I will show you guys the result when I'm going home. I'm all done with my nails. This is what they ended up looking like. I love them. They're like so good. It's like this lavender sweater. That there is my favorite color. Anyways, I got them the long like claws thing off, and this is what this new ones look like. They're so cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna go home, and I think I have to do some like online learning for a first aid training that I have tomorrow, and then after that, I think I'm gonna go like shower, do my hair, do my makeup, record all of that. Anyways, but yeah, I'm very excited about my new nails. It's got my chai latte. It's got my chai latte, and now I'm gonna go home and like the tram, and then I have to go home and do like some studying things. So yeah. So honestly, I've had like the least amount of motivation to study. Like I just don't want to study. Plus it's my last sem, so I should want to study really bad so I can like graduate with a great mark. But no, my mind just does not comprehend that. Like all I want to do is like sleep in my bed. Like all I want to do is sleep. Like I literally ever leave my room at this point. The fact that I'm going out today is a big deal because I did go out a lot this weekend. And the fact that I'm doing it on a Monday though. So adding on from my point before that, I really don't feel like doing anything these days. Like I said, I have a first aid training tomorrow, but I really didn't want to go, like genuinely didn't want to go, didn't feel like it. But it's a compulsory course for the jobs that I want to apply in psych after bachelor's, which is like in a month. But I really didn't want to do the course tomorrow, so I called them and I said, listen, can I postpone it? I'm not feeling well, like I have to go to the doctor, I've been going to the doctor, I'm on my meds and stuff, which is why I can't come in. And they were like, yeah, sure, like just give us a medical certificate and we'll be happy to like transfer your class for free. So that should be fun. But yeah, I'm just reaching home in like a minute. I got off my tram earlier, and Mehek has like an event going on, like a coffee hangout SEM event. And now that I have decided not to do my first aid training, I really don't need to study today, and I don't feel like studying today. So I'm gonna go hang out with her. Then in a bit I'm gonna go shower. But yeah, just gonna go hang out with her. We're trying to like fool Meg's boss, like manager, into believing that we aren't like recording anything. She's like on work. She's on shift. She's at work on shift. That's what I'm about to say. I just got back to my room. I hung out with Mehek for like 10-15 minutes. But yeah, I just got back to my room and now I'm gonna go shower because Mehak wants me to be ready in like 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna shower because I have to wash my hair and like shave and stuff. Just gonna shower. So I'm gonna do a shower transition. I showered. I'm done showering. I washed my hair. I'm in a bathrobe. But I do have quite a lot of time before like I need to start getting ready. I think I'm gonna like eat food. I'm gonna eat some bhindi that I have left from like lunchtime with like a bread. So yeah. I'm watching The Circle on Netflix and I'm gonna eat my bhindi and like my slice of bread while I do that. So yeah. Okay, I'm finally about to start getting ready. I think it's around 8 o'clock and Mehak wants to leave around 9. So I'm gonna start off with my skincare. I haven't found skincare that actually looks good on me, like that suits me. Basically, I haven't found skincare that I love, but I do have some products that like aren't doing the worst on my skin, like they're not making my skin look bad. So I did my eyebrows. I used the Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil for that. They look very funny without like all of my other makeup done. But so I'm gonna start off with contouring actually. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm using the Tarte Rainforest C Water Foundation in medium golden. Don't mind me, I just talk like I'm an influencer. It's what I like to do in my life, is pretend that I'm a really big influencer and talk like it. It's so much fun. You know, I call it manifestation. I'm like, if I pretend that I'm a big influencer, one day I might become one. Who knows? But yeah, once I'm like done putting dots all over my face, there's no technique to this. Like I just put dots all over my face. Then I start blending those dots out all over my face. Like you don't have to ignore the areas that you contoured. Just put it everywhere. I'm using the this is the mini size just because I don't want to buy the full size. I'm using the Tarte Hydro Concealer. It's like the concealer form of the foundation I use. And I just go underneath my eye diagonally and along the nose and just kind of like tap on both the sides. I'm lazy. Then I'm gonna use like I contoured from this side. Now I'm gonna conceal from this side basically. And just look up and kind of start blending in the concealer. I'm gonna do my lips after hair. I'm gonna do hair next. My hair is really wet right now, so I'm gonna go dry it and I'm gonna do another transition. Right, so I just dried my hair. This is what my dry hair looks like. Like this is like brushed out and stuff. I generally just quickly straighten my hair so that it doesn't look like funky. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair because obviously everybody wants to know how I style my hair. Like everyone just wants to know it. Like it's the best thing you can know. I just sectioned like the lower end of my scalp or hair, whatever. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Right now I'm just putting it on dry hair to make my straightening last longer basically. And also it's very easy to straighten your hair to straighten your hair if you have some product in it. Like take my word for it, so much easier to straighten hair if you have like gel or like setting product or like moisture products in there. So that's my hair all straightened. Now I'm gonna show you how I curl it. My hair I'm gonna take the lower section and just tie up the entire other hair, whatever you want to say. Yeah, I'm gonna take like a section of hair like that. Hold it straight, twist and twist it out. It should turn out curly, and then I'm gonna put it at the back. Oh, I think I figured it out. I think I just have to take like less hair in each section, and then maybe it'll work out. Yes, the key was to use less sections. Or less hair in each section, so more sections basically. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Coming. I just finished curling my hair. This is Kim.
We're going to grab drinks.
Yeah, this is the one who made the plan. You submitted your assignment yesterday.
Yes, I did.
So this is her celebration. Now I'm gonna go get dressed, and I actually have no idea what I'm gonna wear, but she's wearing pants. I think Mehak's wearing pants, so I might wear pants. We're ready. We're waiting for Mehak. This is what I wore. Can you show them what I wore? Okay, good. So I'm wearing my jeans, H&M size, like a leather jacket from H&M, top from H&M, bag from H&M.
Sponsored by H&M.
No. Just describe it.
Okay, these are pants I got yesterday from Factory. This is from Cotton On. This is from Zara.
Heels from
Forever
New.
Okay, I'm wearing a crop top from Glue,
Ooh.
roommate's pants, roommate's jacket, and this is from Shein, and this is also from Glue.
And her new shoes.
My new shirt, my new
Her new Nikes.
online. I don't know where they're from.
Oh,
We can go that way.
yeah.
My puppy slipped and kill myself because I'm wearing
We're going to Queensberry Hotel for drinks. I don't plan on having any, so I think it's just gonna be Kim who's slosh, Mehak with like 2 drinks, and me with like water on the side.
I have my name to our camera.
Yeah, I'm speaking to my camera. I have more friends now. You're not meant to say the bad words, Mehak. You said the bad words. Anyways, we tried to get into the Queensberry Hotel. Couldn't get in because we did get in, but like it's closed. It's gonna close in like 1 drink. So we're probably gonna got off the tram and we're about to go to Rooftop Bar in Curtin House. So we ordered like a rosé sangria. So excited! But anyways, we left the Curtin House. These guys are just
I
like
want to get China.
vibing. So she wants to get China Bar. Mehak wants to get McDonald's. I think we're gonna go to both. Grab food for both. I ordered Desi Dhaba. So I'm gonna wait for my food at home once we reach there. We just got done with China Bar. She got some for Uzi, which is her boyfriend. And for herself. But yeah, we got China Bar. Now we're going to McDonald's for Mehak.
Story?
Just got home. I'm gonna wait for my food, and I'm probably going to end the vlog here, guys. We're ending the vlog.
See you soon.
Bye. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna wait for my food downstairs, collect my food, go upstairs, eat my food, edit this vlog, and dine. 1, 2, 3. Adiola, what the roll with the geezer? It's just me, mother like me. This actually, I don't give a shit. I'm rapping, I might as well live in it.